Welcome to my Makeup 101 tutorials for beginners. Hi, my name is Mary, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to do your makeup by yourself. I'm doing a series called Makeup 101 for beginners, where I'm going to teach you step by step on how to do your own makeup by yourself. So the first video is how to prep your skin and how to apply foundation. So first, I moisturize my skin with Nivea. I love this moisturizer. I use this Nivea cream to moisturize my skin. Look at it, it's almost finished. If you have oily skin, I don't think this moisturizer will be good for you. Next is primer. Next is foundation primer. We are using this primer from Zekel Cosmetics to prime our skin, to prime our face, next is foundation. Now we are using this foundation from Zekel Cosmetics, their Pro Filter Matte Foundation, like this. We are not going to use too much, just a little. It's like this. And we are going to use our beauty blender. If you don't have a beauty blender, you can use a brush. But if you don't have a brush, you can use your hand. So I'm going to blend. As you can see, I've not applied any foundation on my nose and my forehead yet. Now, as a beginner, don't apply too much. You start from a little. As you can see, and now I'm using the remaining foundation on my beauty blender on my forehead. I do not apply much on my forehead. Then my nose. This is for only beginners. Start first like this. See, just a little, not too much. It's for only beginners. Those are just learning. You apply the foundation on the outer part of your face first. Then whatever that is remaining on the beauty blender or the brush, whatever you are using, then you add on your forehead. Then the last part on your nose. Then you blend everything together.